All right, so for journal number 2, the words that you need to use are education and school, daily schedule, best or number 1, and pressure. So essentially, some advice to get started. You did that activity where you compared your schedule to the Korean student schedule. So now just kind of take that a step further and envision that that was your life. So imagine going to school and then you know how tired you are at the end of a day of school. Maybe you worked really hard, maybe things went your way, maybe they didn't. And then imagine going and meeting with a tutor for multiple hours and then also studying after you're done with the tutor and then getting home basically with enough time to just sleep. And then just kind of how would that affect you? Would that make you happy? Would that, make you sad, depressed, like many of the Korean students are? Other things to point out is like, why are they even doing this? So like, why are they so into schooling? Why are they so into all of this pressure? So you can talk about how you're competing with your friends for high scores. You can talk about how your parents expect this from you. So you feel like, you know, pressure from home. A lot of times parents end up paying for the tutoring. So maybe, that can be kind of part of what you're talking about. Like, oh, well, my parents have to pay for this much. They really want what's best for me. So those are some different narratives to go down. And then lastly, you can talk about, depending how old you are, maybe you're just trying to get into the university and how you feel like you have to do this or else you won't make it to the university that you want. So this journal should definitely, it doesn't have to be negative or positive. It can kind of be all over the place, but just kind of explain what it's like for them to go through all of this schooling. Is it good for your character? Does it suck for your character? What are the reasons your character is going through this? How do they feel about that? What are the different factors? And hopefully that helps.